There's another Ventnor birding video. So we're kind of halfway along the undercliff now at St Lawrence, just above the undercliff on an area called Dean Farm. It's kind of inland of the undercliff. Some nice spring barley there. Lots of yellowhammers in this area. This kind of area above the undercliff really isn't watched by any birders at all. I've never seen a birder in 25 years birding in this area. Never seen another birder up here. It's just a grassy field on chalk. Lots and lots of marbled white butterflies. This was arable, but the farmers reverted it to grassland, and it's gradually kind of developing as quite nice chalk grassland, absolutely full of meadow grounds and marbled white butterflies. What's that calling? Linnet's calling. It's a bit blustery, so I'm not sure if you can hear me. It's a bit straw. So I'm looking south now, walking south. It's the English Channel, obviously. Imagine a kind of autumn redback shrike on that brash pile over there. That brash pile is where a farmer has cleared some invasive holm oaks off of the chalk grassland, which is a SSSI, so it's kind of a deadwood pile now. Glad he left it there rather than burning it, because it's created a really nice habitat pile. No redback shrikes yet though, but I'm sure there will be one eventually. Still optimistic. So we're just coming down towards a view into the undercliff. Some wildflowers. Rest taro. Some, what are they, pyramidal orchids, I think. Some wild carrots. It's lovely, really old chalk grass, and just down in this kind of a rough bit, grazed by rabbits. There's no other grazing here. There's some holm oaks, you can just see. Okay, so this is the undercliff we're now kind of about to look into. That's Woody Head directly ahead of us. There's Sugarloaf. It's worth looking at these knapweeds because they're covered in marbled white butterflies. What is it, early July 2019, so kind of peak time for these sorts of things. Yeah, there's lots and lots of marbled white. So yeah, there's the undercliff. The fields looking out, kind of looking southwest now. Those fields are below Old Park. I don't watch them that regularly, but I have done in the past, and they're very good for migrants. This woodland looks a bit daunting, so it's sycamore woods and big old gardens. Excellent for titflocks, so good for yellow-browed warblers in the autumn. And you have, so what birds seem to do in kind of spring is they hit the undercliff, hit this area of woodland, and then during the day they gradually work their way in to this kind of clifftop scrub, beyond which is open farmland, and they all get concentrated in this clifftop scrub. And then in the evening, when the sun is low in the sky, this kind of north edge of the scrub is really sunlit, so you get high concentrations of kind of philosks and spotted flycatchers, that kind of stuff, on this kind of a clifftop scrubby edge here. So it's a great area throughout the day. It really holds its birds. I've had, I think it was 18 pied flycatchers one spring day along that edge and this edge. So the edge goes all the way along here. Just see the potential, you know. I don't watch it very regularly up here, but you can just imagine birds in the spring arrive down in the undercliff, then work their way inland, and are all concentrated here just because it's very open farmland beyond as you go north. So they kind of mill about at the cliff top. Great vantage point for visible migration, because the birds are flying at a very narrow, kind of compressed kind of route here, either flying east or west.